Welcome to Book Hogs. Today we're going to learn how to write lowercase g and then go through some words that begin with the letter. So let's begin. To write lowercase g, do a circle, take it to the top, down and around. Circle, to the top, down and around. Circle, to the top, down and around. Now let's go through some words. Here the G is pronounced as a J, J for giraffe. And again here too, J for ginger. G for globe. G for green. And finally, G for girl. If you like this video, please support our channel. It really does help. Give this video the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. We also have free worksheets on our website. Visit bookhogs.com. Thanks so much for watching.